welcome to our YouTube channel, arjacescapades. Nandito po ako, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung aking simpleng recipe for homemade pizza bread. Ito po ay magandang gawin lalo na kung meron kayong mga leftovers na veggies and salami. Napakadali lang po at napakasimple ng procedure. So, I hope guys, you watch the video, and sa mga bago lang po, sana po mag-like kayo and mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, arjacescapades. Thank you! Good evening guys. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng pizza bread. So, this is our ingredients. Of course, the bread loaf. We have shredded cheese, pineapple, pizza sauce. We have onion rings, bell pepper, fresh mushroom, and sliced salami, chicken salami. Okay, so now we're gonna start the process of making the pizza bread. Okay, so let's start. So just put some pizza sauce over the bread. Okay. Spread evenly. Then put the cheese. Spread lang po natin yung cheese. Okay. And then onion rings. Slices of green pepper. Okay. Mushroom. Pineapple. Top on additional pizza sauce. Okay. And then yung slices of chicken salami or whatever meat you like to put on. Okay. And then put another layer of cheese on top. Kasi masarap siya pag nag-melt na siya. So, ganito po siya guys. So ngayon, we will just continue on the other slices of bread. Same thing, like the first one. So, for now, gawin po muna natin siya para later on i-bake natin.
A few moments later.
So, ito na guys yung ating pizza bread. Actually, ready to bake na siya. So, kanina, habang prepare ko siya, prinihit ko na po yung oven. So, para pwede na siyang isa lang maya-maya. So, preheat your oven maybe like to 10 minutes para medyo mainit na siya. Then, set nyo lang po yung on top. Kasi, ang kailangan lang naman talagang maluto ng yung ating toppings and yung bread. Yun po. So, later on, we're just waiting for the oven to be heated. So, after a while, ipapasok na natin siya doon. Ready for baking na. So, oven is ready now. Okay. Ito na po. Pasok na lang natin siya. Okay. Be careful kasi mainit. Mahirap na mapasok. So na po siya. So maybe let's just wait for around 15 minutes. Pero pwede nyo naman siyang i-check para just to check out kung silip-silipin ninyo kung baka mamaya masunog or what. So yun na lang po. So later guys, we will check on the finished product.
A few minutes later.
So guys, ito na po ang ating finished product. So that's it guys. Looks yummy. Medyo na toasted lang yung cheese pero I think it's okay. So thank you po ulit and see you on the next video.